Today we'll be making Korean spicy braised pork ribs. First, boil your pork ribs and rinse under running water. Blend half an onion and half an apple and add to your ribs. Then, add 5 tablespoons of soy sauce. One tablespoon of mirin or rice wine. A pinch of salt and pepper. Five tablespoons of corn syrup. Two teaspoons of Korean chili powder, and feel free to add more if you like spicy. And 1 tablespoon of minced butter. Mix well and let it marinate in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Then start boiling your pork ribs. Add about 3 to 4 cups of water to almost cover the ribs. This is the time to add your vegetables such as carrots and potatoes. Cover the pot and boil for about an hour in medium to high heat, while mixing them up here and there to make sure everything gets cooked properly. Serve and enjoy!